Elevate your airspace operations with AirborneRF Digital Twin. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, the demand for robust digital communication infrastructure in airspace is more critical than ever. This necessity extends beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations to encompass helicopter missions, rescue operations, and emergency services. Effective communication and real-time data transmission are essential for mission control and service centers during urgent situations. In high-stakes scenarios, such as disasters and emergencies, having immediate access to accurate information about available services in the airspace is vital for making informed decisions that can save lives. To achieve a dynamic understanding of airspace at any moment, you need the right data. That's where AirborneRF Digital Twin comes into play. The AirborneRF Digital Twin offers an unparalleled view of airspace connectivity in real time. By integrating live data from radio networks and measurement inputs from various aircraft, our system utilizes advanced AI processing to deliver actionable insights. This empowers decision-makers with the information they need and enhances automated processes through globally standardized interfaces and APIs. Discover how the AirborneRF Digital Twin can transform your operations. For more information, contact us today.